Hello guys, this is Capricorn 76 child. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Aquarius bonus reading rest of August. So let's see Aquarius what's going on between you two. If you want personal reading, then contact me on my Insta and FB if you're serious, or email me about your personal details. So if you are interested, then contact me. Okay, if you are sick, then get well soon. I hope this will resonate with you. So let's see guys, this is your side and this is your partner side, Aquarius. So Three of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. It's a heartbroken thing. You're still heartbroken. It could be anything. You're hurt. Why? It's a healing process. So the stuckness is here. The third party situation, I don't see that, but it could be the past memories are still hurting you. And with this person, the Justice card is Libra, and you're faithful. You want faith. You want your mistakes better with that person. Also, you are just guilty about whatever you did to them. The Chariot, the change. You are changing yourself for them. It's a big and strong feelings gesture you are doing to them, for them. Okay, the Chariot is a Cancer card, so you know that what the good and bad thing is here in this relationship. What is good or bad thing in your own self, or what your actions. So overall, the Three of Swords could be the third party situation in the past, but this person have hurt you. Why? Because they don't trust you, maybe, but the change is gonna happen soon. The good change, everything is going to you be your favor. The Strength card, they bear you very well. Whatever you did to them, maybe you cheated on them in the past, or not right now, you hurt them still. But the Strength card is Leo, they're healing, they healed, or maybe they didn't heal completely. But Page of Cups, Pisces, Scorpio, they text you, call you, they respond to you very well. By the way, they love you because the Page of Cups, Pisces, Scorpio. So this is the most major arcana cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the Empress, the lady is perfect. Okay, the lady is hard worker, perfect. Your energies are very good to each other. Why? Because you love each other, that's all. Your love is pure, your feelings are like perfect. Whatever the past is, it's gone. The past is past. The present is gonna be clear, better, and the future will be bright. That's the motto of your life, Aquarius, with that person. The Page of Cups, text, message, call. They tell you everything what they want to, what they feel for you exactly. So this is the shortest readings for all signs. I hope you like my idea, by the way. Okay, getting to know each other better, tell each other what you meant to be, or also just share your feelings, intentions to each other. Okay, just make sure your understanding is good, everything is gonna be good. Getting to know each other exactly, the perfection. As you reveal your inner selves to each other, you bond deepen. Exactly, the bondings depend on your sharing attitude, communicating level, or understanding level. Overall, the Strength card is here, so this person is good to you. They are perfect for you as a couple, as a partner. So the Strength card is Leo. They didn't give up on you because they love you. They are sweet, they are caring to you, they tell you everything, and you are also caring to them. The Empress is perfection, Taurus, Libra, moon, or ascendant, or it could be the Taurus, Libra sign. She is perfect. She is mother, hard worker, girl, woman. This lady is perfect as a partner. This is home-oriented person. This is the mother of all queens. So exactly, they know everything. So about life, about material, about everything, this person have a good mind. The Chariot is the change. You taking responsibility about home, responsibility about your own future with them. Okay, the Justice, you want to marry that person exactly, you, because you're very faithful to them, very faithful. Whatever the past is gone. Whatever the past is, it healed. or maybe not heal yet, but it's gonna heal soon if you know each other better. Okay, thank you.